Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the live stream. If you're new here or watching this possibly at a later date, it'll be known as Condensed, which is basically a little snippet of that I pull from the live stream and then re-upload in a form of a video. So today we're still in the month of August, covering article reviews. So today we are getting into Snapchat is trading at almost a 3-month low. That is completely crazy for the long-term investors on Snapchat. However, I kind of actually like this for me. Snapchat is one of the very few stocks that I'll actually take a swing position on, and that's because I've been pretty much tracking it ever since the very beginning of its IPO. So I understand what kind of makes this thing tick and how everything works together with the Snapchat world. At least I think so. So anyways, today what we'll talk about is Snapchat. I guess over the last week was actually doing really well. They were up. Let me pull up the actual article here. Snapchat was up 1.5% on Friday because the CEO Evan Spiegel said basically that he's now making an effort to spend more time with the employees. Who would have thought that that was important as the CEO, is to make sure that your employees feel valued and part of the organization. I mean, who would have thunk, right? However, as of right now, or it says as of intraday on Tuesday, the shares dropped as low as $11.19, just 67 cents above basically the record low on May 17th, which, by the way, I was involved with a swing trade around that time as well. So I mean, the company did, however, report a loss of 27 cents a share of a revenue of basically $262 million in the second quarter. And basically, after adjusting for pre-tax gains and that kind of stuff, the loss per share is 14 cents per share. But however, the thing that people were surprised most about is that their active users decreased by 2%, and 2% is not that much. But in the social media space, within a company that should continue to grow, like a company that's trying to go after Facebook and take the reins, not getting growth and not getting the expected growth is not that good for a stock. Not good for a company that's also not making any money. So their active users went from 188 million in the second quarter, from basically 191 million. So it's only like 300 million lost, which, I mean, I'm not an active user anymore either, but that's because I don't really have a need to use the actual app. However, what's my take on it? For me personally, I'm hoping that I can get a good buy price on this, that it would, basically be a low risk kind of swing trade over the next maybe 2 to 3 weeks. And then, like I said, capture some good news, quickly sell those shares and walk away with some profit. That's my plan. And maybe, hey, get another free share of Snapchat. But I don't really know specifically if that's what I'm going to do. I'll have to look more into the actual stock, see what it's trading at, see where I think a good risk level is for me personally, and then see where my sell price would be at also. So really develop kind of a plan before I actually start taking a position, like I did on the last swing trade that I took on it. However, I don't know, a long term, am I long term on Snapchat? I mean, honestly, I wish that this company was making money. Because they don't make money, I don't hold a company. I don't hold anybody that doesn't have a positive operating income. So, for instance, with Snapchat, I just won't do it. That's against my religion, basically. However, for you, that might be a risk that you're willing to take. I don't know. I would just say execute your strategy and then move on from there. I can't personally say, do this, do that. But look back at your strategy, and if it's, within your strategy range, then maybe consider it. If not, then by all means, don't consider it if it's not within your strategy, right? Anyways, it's your boy, keeping it real. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Peace out.